you can see the snow piles. But there's a huge one right in front of me. Alright guys.